In this video, I'll show you how to add a custom domain on Gumroad. So first thing that we need to do is we need to go to our dashboard on the top right. In here, we're going to go to the bottom left and click on Settings. Then we need to go to the top and click on Advanced. And in here, you'll see Custom Domain, but we're going to leave this for now and click on Learn More. And if we scroll down here a little bit, we can see how we need to configure our DNS on our host. So navigate to your host and find out where you can find your DNS configuration settings on your specific host. And this is how it needs to be set up if you want a www dot. So here you can see hostname, record type CNAME, value domains.gumroad.com. If you don't want the www dot, hostname just stays at. And if you want to use the subdomain, the only difference is hostname is going to be store. Okay, now that that is done, what we're going to do is we're going to go back, and now we are going to put in that domain name. And you'll notice the moment I type, the verify button pops up here. Once you've put in your domain name, you hit verify and it says verified, you are good to go. If it does not, then you have input your DNS configuration incorrectly. You need to go back to the Learn More section and just double check that information. And that's all I've got for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.